we are going to make peri-peri chicken Nandu style. Okay, I will explain to you one by one. This is a red capsicum. It's very expensive at the moment, so just use a little. And then chili, I just use tiny bit because the children won't eat them. And garlic and sweet chili sauce. If you don't have sweet chili sauce, just use sugar. That should be alright. And paprika. You can use red paprika, you can use hot paprika, you can use Hungarian paprika, anything. I'm not fussy. And then lemon, and then salt. Butterfly the chicken, but I found it's too hard for me to do. Easier for me just chop the chicken and then marinate and then put in the oven the next day. You need to marinate at least 2 hours, otherwise not nice. Even better is overnight. We just put in on the tray. After overnight marinate and pop in the oven for 40 minutes, 200 Celsius. Initially, we're going to make rice with salad, but then we don't have any vegetables to make salad. So we decided to make rice that we have vegetables in it, so we don't need salad. So how we do it, olive oil and stir fry with onion. Until the onion